Hello guys, Brindle Kittens here, and today I'm presenting you with The Forgotten Desert. That if I had this YouTube channel a long time ago, this would have been posted, but no, I'm not doing purple. I'm not doing purple. Yes, I have free chats. Mon, I'm pretty sure I have free chat. You can leave if you want, but purple doesn't guarantee good. Me too. No purple. New purple. By the way, I'm recording. Says hi. Of course. Dude, I do not want to see your core. That's not... Purple's hard, not star. Working. What? Purple is hard, not star working. Okay, so stars do not go to work. Jot that down on a piece of paper, like right now. That stars, they just don't work. They don't. Lazy paper. I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. Okay, that voice is really weird. It sounds like I'm this crying little younger kid. Water? Yay, water. That's rude to say lazy. It's so rude. Never say lazy, even when you're saying that you're lazy. Lazy is rude. My best friend Lazy, she is so rude. Never talk to her. I'm not insanity. You can trust me. Actually, I wouldn't trust me. That sentence, I'm messing up on my words right now, so yeah. I like messing up on my words, and I think I just forgot the crystal. What? I think I forgot the crystal. No. We all do what we find. We pick up what we find. Because that would make no sense. We pick up what we find. Because, really, if we just say, I found, a green gem, and I was like, oh, no, I'm just going to walk past this. Because this isn't my job to pick it up. That's not going to work, sir. That's not going to work. Sir, no buying food from this restaurant. Sir, it's called a restaurant, but we do not serve food here. We serve glue. Oh, I'll have some of that. Would you like the glue special then? Yeah, I like the glue special. Jammer, fine, be my buddy. Tell you to or the video. Did I say hi? Okay, so guys, this person, this wonderful owl says hi. Pop Diva 13 says hi. Now you better say hi back, or I kill you in your sleep. I'm famous. No, you not. Wait, I don't even. If you're famous, then I would know you. I know a lot of famous people. Like Bear He G Ghost. Like Pixie calls him or something. I don't know. Bear Ghost Games. Go subscribe to that person. That amazing channel. things suddenly just got awkward in here. Cause I'm Talon. Okay, she's Talon Swift. Her Talons are Swift. That's the new version of Taylor Swift. Talon Swift in Animal Jam. Okay? So whenever someone says Taylor Swift in Animal Jam, say no, it's Talon Swift. And if they tell you no it isn't, then tell them that Brindle Kitten says so it's correct. Because everything that Brindle Kitten says is correct. We are doing really good. That was an awkward yawn. It cut off like when it wasn't even halfway through. The quarter yawn. Like, it's amazing. Give me the gem, now. Before the Smurfs eat you, I will signal my Smurfs to eat you. Because that's logic. Smurfs, the little blue guys, they eat ya. They eat ya. I hope I'm going the right way, because I always forget where it is. Please say that I just didn't... You're joking, right? I couldn't have lost that. Hey! Jessie here! No, just no. Hey. It's Jessie. Hi, sup? No, it's not supper. It's not supper, okay? I don't want to eat supper. Fauna? Fine. Leave us alone. Leave us to die. Do not open your chest. Never open chests. They're evil. Animal Jam sent them to kill you. Animal Jam sent chests to kill you. Spread the news. You gotta do it. Do it for people sake. People's sake. Yeah, just call it people's sake. That's the name, okay? And my color is called Rose, Violet, Red. So whenever someone says red, you have to correct them. Say Rose, Violet, Red, okay? You got me on that, Buster. I sound evil. I don't want to be evil, Mommy. No, but you have to or you're grounded. Okay, Mommy. Yeah, I've got really weird accents. I can't say do anything. I want to be an actor. No. You're going to jail. Actors are not tolerated in this town. What? But Sisty's an actor. Well, she's going to jail tomorrow. Oh, are actors bad? Yes. They don't tolerate soda. Actors do not tolerate soda. Or pizza. Wow. I don't want to be an actor. I'm not cut out. Good. I might have to pause this. I don't like pausing my videos. Pausing videos is not fun. I don't like to. Are you really recording? Maybe I'm not. Yes, I'm recording. Haven't you got a hint from the awkward silence? Someone please tell me in the comments if that is the beta Arctic hood. Okay. Is that the beta Arctic hood? I'm just gonna do that face at the end. Is that the beta Arctic hood? I know it's not. It's probably not. I hope I get Spike. I'm gonna cry if I don't get a Spike. It's like I hope I get a Spike. Shut up. To be honest, I don't care if I get a Spike or not. If I get a Spike, then okay. That's fine and dandy, but if I don't get a Spike, then who really cares? I mean, rares aren't everything on Animal Jam. Over here. No, never mind. I don't follow. I'm leader, not you, okay? Learn your alphabet. We are doing really horrible. No! Why you leave me? You left me to die. You left me to die. A head bandage. I thought it was one band-aid? Band-aid? Okay, it's band-aids now. Okay? I know my grammar. The world thinks it's band-aids, but it's band-aids. So, call them band-aids from now on. Okay? I am teaching you very important lessons of life. Like these, they can like get you anywhere in life. You'll be like so popular, you won't even know. Like when you get older, if you say, I need a band-aid, people will be like, oh my god, she knows correct grammar. Like finally for someone knows the grammar. And someone just missed this. How the heck do you miss this? It's right there. Someone must have just been dozing off and going, lo-de-do-de-do, I'm gonna walk past this. Because isn't that what we all do? And we are not going to get this oasis. This oasis decided to cover itself in mud. We've had a pretty good run for it. Also in the comments below, just suggest like what games I should play. Not pay. I don't pay games. I don't pay them. I don't be like, oh, if you make this game, I'm gonna give you some real cash. No. I feel like I've been hypnotized and that I am the only insane person here. Never act like me. Did you find it? Obviously, yeah. Yeah. Did you find it? Obviously, yes. Well, we failed. Yup. I had fun. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. And then I went to sleep. It's like, not yet. Don't let the time run out. Don't let it.